Hello friends, I am Agrawal AS, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department, Sandipani Technical Campus, Latur. Our today's topic is analysis of 3-inch arch. Learning outcomes. After watching this video, student will be able to calculate the support reactions and also a student will be able to draw bending moment diagram for 3-inch arch. Now, this is a numeric. A 3-inch parabolic arch of span 20 meter and central rise of 4 meter carries a point load of 100 kN at 4 meter from left hand support. Calculate the nominal thrust and radial shear under the load. Also draw the bending moment diagram. Now here we first draw the loading diagram. Now this is the arch having the two support and this is a 3rd inch, that is at crown. This span is 20 meter and this rise is the 4 meter. Now here this arch is subjected to 100 kN load at a 4 meter from left hand support. So here this is the load 100 kN and the distance is a 4 meter. This is A and this is the B. The first step is the calculation of reactions. Now for the calculation of reactions, we say reactions, the vertical reactions at the A, at B. Also we have to find out here the horizontal reaction at A, that is the due to the H, and also the at the B is the H. Now this is a VA and this reaction is the VB. So here consider this load is applied as a simply supported for the sake of convenience. So draw here the simply supported beam and apply the load here the 100 kN. And this is the 4 meter. This is the A support and this is the B support. This span is a 20 meter. Now we take the sigma MA is equal to 0. So here this 100 into 4 is a clockwise. So we are considering this clockwise as positive and the anti-clockwise as negative. So this 100 into 4 is the clockwise and this VB into this the 20 is the anti-clockwise. So that is why it's minus VB into the span 20 meter is equal to the 0. So VB is equal to 20 kN. Then find the VA. So apply here the sigma Fy conditions is equal to 0. So VA plus VB is equal to the 100, because here we are considering the upward force as positive and the downward force as the negative. So VA plus the 20 is equal to 100. So VA is equal to 80 kN. So we got here the 80 kN VA and VB is the 20 kN. Now next is the calculation of the horizontal reactions, that is these reactions at A and at B. So now for that we have to apply the conditions, that is the sigma MB equal to 0 and take the either side of the moment, maybe from the left side or maybe from the right side. So we are taking here the moment from the left side. So now we are changing here the same. So bending moment at the crown, and that is equal to 0 because of here the hinge, because of the hinge. Now always the bending moment is the B moment minus the thrust moment, and for our condition this is the 0, so we are writing here the 0. So now the B moment is what here, that is this beam, and here this load is subjected here 100, and this span is at 4 meter, this span is a 20 meter. So B moment is what at here, we are taking the moment at the center, at the hinge. So we are taking the moment at here, this, and also here the arch and this is the, here is a H, and here also the H, and this is our crown where we are taking the moment. So here what is the B moment minus the H moment? So B moment is what, from the left side is our VA, and this is the VB. So VA, this is a create the sagging moment is a plus, so VA into the 10, because of we are taking the moment at here, so this distance is a 10 meter. VA into 10 minus the 100 into, this is the 10 into 10 minus 4, that is the 6. So this is the B moment. The next is the H moment. So always H moment is a minus this H into the Y, so that is equal to the 0. In our case we are taking the moment at the center, so this is the central rise, and this is given as a 4 meter. So in our case this our Y is equal to H, and that is equal to the 4 meter. So is equal to VA. You know here the value of the VA is 80. So 80 into the 10 minus 100 into the 6 minus H into the 4 is equal to 0. So we got here H is equal to 50 km. So in this way we got all the reactions, that is the vertical reaction at A, vertical reaction at the B, and the horizontal reactions at A and the B, because these are at the same level, that is why this H and this H is the same. So we can see here this is equal to the 50, and this also is equal to the 50. Now next is to calculate the here a normal thrust and the radial shear. So for that here the next slide, that is the normal thrust. So the formula is the V sin theta plus H cos theta. Now here the V is the shear force, that is the vertical shear force, not only the shear force. So here the vertical shear force at the section, and H is the horizontal reactions or thrust. So H is equal to the horizontal reactions. So now V is the unknown is what here? One is the theta and second one is the V. So V is the shear force at the section. So we know here this is our considering the simply supported beam, and this is our load is 100. This VA is 80 and this VB is equal to 20 kilonewton here and kilonewton here. So now we are calculating the normal thrust. At the 4 meter, that is under load. So we are calculating the normal thrust at this location, that is the 4 meter. So now shear force at this location, that is from the left side, that V is equal to automatically the 80 kilonewton. So here is a one, and if you take the shear force at here, so only one shear force is on the left hand side, that is the 80 kilonewton. From left hand side the shear force is the opposite. So we got the value of here the V. Now unknown is the what? Theta. So for that we know the equation tan theta is equal to 4h by L square into L minus the 2x. Here x is the location of the normal thrust. So tan theta is equal to 4 into h is equal to the 4 central rise divided by the span square into 20 the span minus 2 into location is the 4 meter. So is a 4. So we got here the theta is equal to the 25.64 degree. Now we got all the value, that is the V is the 80, then theta is 25.64, h is equal to the 50. So we can say that n is equal to 80 sin 25.64 plus the 50 into cos of 25.64. So this is equal to the 79.69 kilonewton. So in this way we got the value of the n. The next is the radial shear. So now radial shear, and the formula is the V cos theta minus H sin theta. So here we have all the values, that is V is equal to the 80, then cos theta is 25.64 minus h is equal to the 50 and sine 25.64. So we got here the value is the 50.48 kilometer. That is the Q. The next is the bending moment diagram. Next is the bending moment diagram. So now we know everywhere the bending moment that is equal to the beam moment minus the H moment, or we can say that is a thrust moment. Thrust moment. So draw first the bending moment diagram for the beam. We have to draw the bending moment diagram for the beam, and then we draw the bending moment diagram for the thrust, and then superimpose. So that gives the combined bending moment diagram. So now the bending moment diagram for simply supported beam. So here that we know this is our arch that we are considering as a simply supported. This is a load 100. So already here we have reactions VA, that is the 80 kilonewton, and the VB, that is the 20 kilonewton. So we know bending moment at A is equal to 0, then bending moment at B is equal to 0. This is A and this is B. So bending moment at the or under the load. So bending moment at 4 meter. At 4 meter, that is equal to, from the left side, that is 80 into the 4. The distance is a 4 meter, and this VA creates the sagging bending moment. This VA creates the sagging bending moment. That is why we are taking here the positive. Now, so this gives the is equal to here is equal to 320 kilonewton. So if you draw the bending moment diagram for this, so here is 320 kilonewton, and this diagram is the opposite. Now this is called as the beam moment. Beam moment diagram. Now next we draw the thrust moment. So thrust moment is always thrust moment that you know here is always H into the Y. Now here this is our span is 20 meter. Now here, so this maximum is at the center. So at center is what? Y is equal to the H. So H is equal to the H. So that is equal to H is equal to the 50, and this H is equal to the 4. So this becomes 200 kilometer meter. And always this moment create the hogging bending moment. fogging bending moment. That is why we are taking here the negative B moment minus the H moment. So we draw here the BMD is a parabolic, and this height is the maximum is the 200 kilometer. Now this is the H moment is, and this diagram is a negative. Now superimpose both this diagram, so we get the combined bend moment diagram. So simply supported bend moment diagram is the 400 320 is here like this. Outgoing drive here. And here at the center, this moment is a 200 kilometer meter. This is a meter, and this height is a from this. So this part is positive, this part is negative, because this diagram is negative, and this the common area gets the cancel out. This is the BMD for this 3 jars. So this 320 is from the here, and 200 is from the here. So this part is above the line part is negative, because this all the part is the negative. This part is the negative, and here we know this part is the, this is the total diagram is the positive. So superimposition of this B moment over the this H moment. So this is our question, that is the find the radial shear, then normal thrust, and finally is the BMD. Thank you.